All right, we went over how to add, subtract, and multiply decimals, but we did not go over how to divide them. So that's what we're going to work on today. If you notice, there is only a decimal in the dividend. In 5th grade, you will never see a decimal in the divisor. Okay? So the way that we the way that we divide decimals is the same exact way that we would divide regularly. So I'm actually not even worried about that decimal right now. I'm actually thinking that it's not even there, that this is a whole number. So I still want to set my steps up. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And I'm going to go ahead and get started. Can 30 go into 7? No, it cannot. Can 30 go into 72? Of course it can. We just have to figure out how many times. So I'm going to start with my facts. 30 times 1 is 30. I'm trying to get to 72. 30 times 2 is 60. Still not at 72, so I have to keep going. 30 times 3 is 90. And I know that 90 is greater than 72, so I cannot use it. So 2 is what I'm going to use, and I put it up top. I just divided. Now I need to multiply down. 30 times 2 is 60. So this is 72 minus 60, because remember, we're ignoring that decimal. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. I multiplied, I subtracted. Now I need to bring down. Now I'm back to the top with division. Now I am dividing 30 into 123. I didn't get to 123 yet, so I have to keep going. 30 times 4. Now let's say I don't know what that is. Remember, I take my 90 and I add 30 to it. I get 120. That's still not 123, so I have to keep going. So 30 times 4 is 120. Now I need to do 30 times 5. If I don't know it, I add 30 to this 120. And I get 150. And I know that 150 is too great. So 5 cannot be it. The closest I'm going to get to it is this 4. So I put the 4 up. I just divided. Now I multiply down. 30 times 4 is 120. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And I'm not done yet because this number in my dividend needs an answer above it. So I start the process over. I'm dividing again. 30 into 30. I know it goes in one time. I just divided. Multiplying down. 30 times 1 is 30. Divide, multiply, subtract. I have nothing to bring down. So, sorry about that. My answer would be 241. But with decimals, the way it works is you raise it to the roof. So this was my decimal. I pull it straight up. So my answer is actually 241 thousandths. So I ignored that decimal the whole time, and then when I'm done, I raise it straight up, and that's how I got my answer.